9:30 na, but it's still cold. And then this is only a 30-minute hike, and it's very near. The thing is, it's steep hike. The name of the place is, what's the name of the
Bears
place?
Hump.
Bears. Hello guys, and welcome back again. As you can see, so this is still our continuation of our camping in Waterton. I know it took a while to upload all this video, so I was just talking about that. We're going to the Bear Humps Trail, so that's only like a 30-minute hike, and what's this? It's not really hard or difficult trail, so it's gonna be easy one. So I was talking about the previous hike, the Summit Lake to the Carthew. That was a failed hike, and I was talking about also my blister. So I was saying that it is okay, I think, to go for that Bear Hump hike since it's not really that long, and I was not wearing anymore my hiking boots. I was just wearing my runners because the trail is not really difficult, so runners will be fine and that would be comfortable for me. So yeah, it's very near from our campground that we stayed at, and this is already the entrance to the Waterton. So that's the one that they have to check if you have the pass. So you need to get a pass to go inside or to enter the Waterton National Park. Every national parks here in Canada, you need a pass, especially if you really have a plan, to stay a little longer, or, if you're gonna visit some place in that specific area, you really have to get a pass. But if you're just going to pass through, I don't think you need one. But yeah. And here we are. So this is it. This is very near to the Prince of Wales Hotel. And then you see, as you can see, the parking is very, very near to the highway as well. So it's only like along the way or along the road. See those. I think we started around 11. So as you can see, there's already a lot of cars. So it's only like a 30-minute going up and then another 30-minute going down, so an hour of hike, so not very long hike. Our hotel. Yeah. Ding. It doesn't look so big, hey? This area, the town. So that was the Bear Humps Trail, and as you can see, it was a very nice at the top. You can see the whole town of Waterton and the lake, the Waterton Lake. So it was nice there, and as you've noticed, the trail is really well maintained, and there was not so much, but yeah, I think more than I think 5 seniors were there as well, and even like a 4-year-old survive hiking. So I would say this is a really good spot to, start a hike, especially for those people who are not really into long hikes or, long walks. So I suggest go on this hiking trail if you are, visiting Waterton and would like to go for a hike. After the hike, we stop over here, near the lake, watch this beautiful scenery, and have our snacks before heading back to the campground. So it's a very nice day. So, we enjoy this kind of time, especially summer is not a long season here in Canada. Look at color sa mga bato. Very nice color. Oh, sink or float? What do you think?
Sink.
Sink. With the rock. Sink.
Oh.
Wow. Wow. Sink or float? Sink or float? Kada what? You want to play more? Ay, hindi naman mo hawa. Rocks. It's rocks. All rocks. Oh, what is that? Oh, wow. So far. Nice. What is that, man? Rock? Okay. Careful. Masamo jud karon. La 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 la. Pasaway na bata. Tana kay Tones Papa's truck. Let's go na. Kumakano eh. Oh, careful. Come, let's go back later. Dali na. Run! Tagan-tagan lagi. Go na, Papa's waiting. Knock knock. Huh? This is the end of our video, guys, and we do hope you do like this episode, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell as well so you will be notified for the next coming video. Thank you for watching and see you for the next video. Bye!
Bye,